Welcome to this segment of SII Motivational Minutes with your host, Dwight Lee. And on this segment, we're going to be talking about Dr. Bruce Lipton's The Biology of Believing, the Biology of Belief. In here, he gives an amazing diagram about ATP, and basically he likens it to your checking account. He gives an example. And so basically, he says every time you have a thought, you are emitting energy. So basically, like, would you take $1 out of your checking account and give it to a perfect stranger? No. So likewise, he's saying that you need to be deliberate, you need to be intentional, and you need to be focused on every single thought, especially if you're not getting the outcomes and the results, the harvest and the yields that you desire in any key area of your life. He's saying that you can trace it back to your thinking, because belief is just an emotionalized thought that you've thought over and over again until it became a belief. So he's saying that thoughts are just like money in our checking accounts, whether it's coins, dollar bills, a symbol. It makes no difference. He's just giving an example. And he talks about ATP. I would get the book or listen to him, his audio, and he explains it thoroughly. And he's saying that basically every time you think something, you're circulating energy, or you're spending energy, or you're using energy. So he's saying that you should be focused and deliberate and spin your thought, circulate your thought, utilize your thought wisely to produce an outcome, a result, or to manifest a goal that you desire, require, or that you aspire to have, as opposed to, like James Allen says, thinking aimlessly, and then when you get your harvest, you act like you don't recognize your harvest. But it couldn't show up without you planting the seed of thought. And I just think that this is a beautiful book, and his depiction and breakdown of it, Dr. Bruce Lipton did an amazing job. I would invite everyone to visit this book and really take a look at that, just from the standpoint of him giving you a diagram and a breakdown from a checking account to your mind, thoughts going through your brain and going out into the electromagnetic field, not being in your head, contrary to popular belief, but going out in the field and bringing back to you the mental equivalent. This is just to me, a dynamic breakdown and comparison and contrast that everybody can connect with and relate to and have strong resonance with, because he breaks it down to simple form, where even a 7-year-old can understand it. We've been live on SII Motivational Minutes with your host, Dwight Lee. I'll leave you with this quote from Walt Disney: "If you can dream it, you can do it." Thank you.